Today, we're breaking down how to prepare chemical solutions. It's a skill you absolutely have to nail.
Think about it like you're baking. One wrong measurement and the whole thing could be a total flop.
Well, lab work is basically high-stakes cooking. Precision is everything, because it's the most common lab task. So, how do we get it just right? There are two main ways to make that perfect solution.
You can either make a stock solution from a pure substance or just dilute a stronger one.
Okay, first up, making a solution from scratch. We call this a stock solution. It's a simple four-step process. Calculate, weigh, dissolve, and dilute. Every step is crucial.
A key part of this is the quantitative transfer. You got to make sure nothing gets left behind.
So for this solution, you need exactly 10.44 grams. No rounding, exactness is everything.
All right, on to method 2, which is often way easier, dilution. It's a fantastic shortcut.
The magic here is the simple but super powerful formula. It's the key to getting dilutions right.
Co and V, that's your original stuff. C and VD is the new solution you're trying to make.
It's just 3 easy steps. Calculate what you need, transfer it, and then dilute it. Simple.
So for this ammonia solution, you only need 1.7 milliliters of the strong stuff. A little goes a long way.
Knowing how is just half of it. You also need the right tools and, of course, to be safe.
The most important tool here is the volumetric flask. It's designed for one purpose: incredible accuracy. To use it right, add your stuff, fill it about 80% of the way, mix, then carefully top it off.
And for serious precision work, you have to use a Class A flask. It's just way more accurate. Your technique matters too. Always keep your pipette perfectly vertical and just below the surface. And finally, let's talk about the most important part, safety. It's absolutely non-negotiable in a lab.
So always wear your safety glasses and a lab coat. And please tie back long hair.
It all comes down to 3 things: precision, process, and safety. Get those right, and you're golden.
Once you've got this down, you're not just doing an experiment, you're ready for a breakthrough.